Hello everybody. In today's video I am going to discuss about the Mendel's work on Pisum sativum. So what is this Pisum sativum? Pisum sativum is a pea plant. So Pisum sativum, it is easy to cultivate and number of generations you can study in a single season. So Pisum sativum, this is the scientific name of that plant. Common name it is pea plant. Here Pisum is a generic name and sativum is a species name. So in generic name, first alphabet has to be capital. In species, it is small letter. So let us go to the work that is done by Mendel. So Mendel, he was a monk and lived in a monarch, and then he had a garden for cultivating this pea plant. So let us see this 7 contrasting character which was taken by Gregor Mendel for his studies. So 7 contrasting character, these are the dominant character and these are the recessive character. So dominant character is the one which is going to get expressed in the offsprings, whereas recessive character, it is going to get suppressed in the offspring. So dominant characters are purple colored flower, yellow seeds, round seeds, green pod, inflated pod, axial flowers, as well as the tall plant. Recessive character, white flowers, green seeds, wrinkle seeds, yellow pod, constricted pod, terminal flowers, dwarf plant. So he had taken this tall plant with the dwarf plant for his monohybrid cross, and for dihybrid cross he selected this round seed, wrinkle seed, as well as the color of the seed, yellow and the green, for his dihybrid cross. 7 contrasting character he had taken, and the flowers produced by this Pisum sativum, it is bisexual. Bi means 2, sexual. It is having both the male as well as the female sexual structure. It's having both the male as well as female sexual structures it is having. Moving on to the Gregor Mendel's monohybrid cross. Mono means 1. Monohybrid cross between the two parents having one contrasting character. So he had selected the tall plant and crossed it with the dwarf plant. So tall plant, the gamete produced, it is same because it is having, both the parents are homozygous, which means they are having same alleles. So here it will produce gamete. All the gamete will be containing the capital T. Here all the gametes will be containing the small t. So when you cross, you will get capital T and small t. So we know that capital T, it is a dominant character. So what does this dominant character do? It will suppress the recessive character. So in F1 all the offsprings are tall. Next, moving on to this cross between this F1. So here gametes, 2 types of gametes it is produced. One gamete it is having capital T, another gamete it is having small t. So when you cross the offsprings of F1 generation, you are going to get 3 of them. 3 of the plants will be tall and 1 will be dwarf. So the phenotypic ratio, it is 3:1. What about the genotypic ratio? 1:2:1. Genotypic ratio. Now when we look at this, both the alleles are dominant, both dominant factors are present here. 1 dominant, 1 recessive. Here 1 dominant and 1 recessive. Here both of them are recessive. So genotypic ratio is 3:1. Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So this is regarding the monohybrid cross. Only one contrasting character was taken for the study, that is the tall and the dwarf. One contrasting character. Next, moving on to Mendel's dihybrid cross. So what he did in case of this dihybrid cross, he took the 2 contrasting character. Di stand for 2. Dihybrid cross between the 2 parents having 2 contrasting character. So one parent is having the round as well as wrinkle, produce round and wrinkles, in other parent it round as well as yellow colored, round and yellow color. Other parent is going to produce green as well as the wrinkle seed. So gamete produced, all the gamete here will have the allele for the round as well as yellow, here wrinkled as well as green. So F1 generation, all the phylyl is gonna have the seed which is yellow as well as round in the shape. So two contrasting character he took for the studies. And gamete, here we know gamete produced by this parent, it is round as well as yellow, green as well as wrinkled color. Cross between them it will be giving round as well as the yellow color. Since Y and R, they are the dominant character, small y and small r, they are recessive character. So when you cross the F1 generation, different gametes with different combination we can get here. So capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, small y and small r. So when you cross, you will be getting this phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. So this will be the phenotypic ratio. 9 of them are gonna be round as well as yellow colored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3 of them will be green as well as round. 3 of them, they will be green as well as it will be round. Okay, 3 of them. And yellow and wrinkled, 3 of them are going to be yellow as well as wrinkled, and 1 will be green as well as wrinkled. So here you see green and round, this one and this one. Yellow and wrinkled, this and this. Green wrinkled, this one. So phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. That is the phenotypic ratio. So yellow and round color, yellow as well as round, yellow colored as well as round, their dominant character. Wrinkled and green colored, these are the recessive characters. They are not going to get expressed in the offspring. So in order to get expressed, 2 small y and 2 small r is required. If 1 capital Y and small y and 1 capital R and small r are there, this recessive character is not going to get expressed, only the dominant character. Example you can see here. Only the capital Y, small y, capital R and small r. Here you can have a look. Capital Y, small y, capital R and small r. So capital Y will get expressed and capital R is going to get expressed, and this Y and small r, it's not going to get expressed. Only the dominant character will be getting expressed. So from these two experiments, he gave the law of dominance. So only the dominant character it is going to get expressed, the recessive character it is going to get suppressed. The recessive factor is going to get suppressed, only the dominant factor will be expressed. From this inference was law of dominance, which was given by Gregor Mendel. Only the factors which are dominant will be getting expressed, recessive one will get suppressed in the offsprings. There are 2 factors in the offspring, one is dominant, other one it is recessive. So this is the law of dominance which was given by Gregor Mendel. So thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and if you are having any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you guys.